Hey, you in the counseling office. I heard you're leaving.
I'm leaving.
So sad to hear. Tomorrow? Okay, I gotta cook you some. So whatever you want. What you want?
As my parting gift, I want kimchi fried rice.
Okay. Go. I'll bring it tomorrow.
Let's do it.
All right. Thank you. Yo, last day.
Hi, I know.
I brought your food. Enjoy.
Kimchi
fried rice. I put a pork belly.
Oh.
So there's pork belly there, and then there's like an egg on top.
I'm gonna try to get like for myself. Yeah.
How is it? It's your last meal, last supper from.
Oh, good.
It's fire.
This is gonna make me stay. So
Yes.
I'm gonna cancel my resignation.
All right, hell yeah.
I'm staying.
Cool. We're gonna miss you, buddy. Thank you.